What up YouTube, and welcome to a new video. We got some exciting new parts for the FC that you can see in the background. I received a package from Japan. I already had to pull it out of the box because I was so excited. But yeah, we finally got ourselves a Cusco cage for the RX7. Been wanting one of these for such a long time, kind of since I ever started getting into cars. I always wanted one. Just seeing all the old race cars back then in Japan, they always had the old blue Cusco cage. It was just standing out. Since that, always wanted one, and it's super hard to find one in Germany because first of all, you can't find anything used for the RX7. And then I also, when I was looking at buying a new one, I also found out they discontinued the cage in 2019, at least for the RX7 FC, so I also wasn't able to get one brand new, which will also be super expensive, but I don't know, just what I always wanted. So I got lucky and found one used in Japan for not a lot of money, and after being on the ship for 2 months, I think it was 2.5 months, something like that, in a container, I finally received it. And yeah, of course, obviously it's in decent condition, but it's used. There's some scratches and whatnot, but look at it, hell yeah. But yeah, around the cage, just some minor scratches, but nothing too serious. Just from the from the tape that was on there, from the padding, you can just scrape it off. But yeah, super exciting. Also super excited to finally put it in the car. I received it yesterday, like I said, unwrapped it already, and then just left it here. But today I got time, so yeah. First thing we gotta do is, because I have no idea what I need to do to make it fit, but I for sure know that we need to pull out the seat, or the whole interior, I guess, at least the driver passenger seat and the rear seat. So I need to pull out that, and then I might be lucky already and it should go in like that. I hope so, but yeah, we'll see. Also, something kind of sketchy that I don't know yet is, people told me it might not fit because it was made for a right-hand drive car, or was in a right-hand drive car before. My car is left-hand drive, so yeah, we're gonna see how that fits. And also, I got a car with a sunroof from factory, and there was a sunroof option and a non-sunroof sunroof option. So I have no idea if it's actually going to fit, or if I have to modify it to make it fit. So we're gonna see. I'm just gonna pull the seats out for now, and then try to put it in there and see if it will work out or not. I'm also pretty sure I have to pull out the carpet, which shouldn't be too big of a problem. It's pretty easy, because I had it out before. So yeah, I guess let's just jump straight into it. Let's go. These old school stickers. There was the padding, this was the padding, by the way, that was on the whole cage, but because of that, the color underneath is in super good condition, it's not faded or anything. But I definitely keep the padding on this bar here. I think it's the crossbar, at the top here on the roof. It goes there somehow, I don't know. But it has these old ass stickers on there from BR. They look sick. You can really see how old they are, because they faded yellow and kind of peeling off. But definitely keeping these on there, so sick. But yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on the tripod now and then take the car apart.
Just trying to sleep and on my deathbed, been hungry for a week. Yeah, I wanna go back.
I just pulled most of the stuff out. Something I thought about is I might be able to leave the carpet in like that if I just take it and like fold it up in this corner and also over there. What I'm going to try now is take the main hoop and just put it in and see if that fits, and if it just sits in there with the sunroof and stuff, and then we're gonna continue and see what we do next. But that's something I'm trying first. Okay. We got it in there, I guess. Now we just need to figure out how to put it in there. This is not looking good, bruv. Thing is, I have no idea how it has to sit. If it's a bit crooked or if it's... no idea. Now, the cage is already hitting the roof of the car. But what I thought is maybe I have to pull out the sound deadening, because it's super thick, it's like a few millimeters. And with that gone, I think I'm able to slip it like all the way back, so it fits in there. But I still don't know what position it has to be, like how far back. Maybe you're gonna look up and try to find some photos. But I think I'm gonna pull the sound deadening off first, at least in that corner, and then see if it works like that. Never mind, change of plans. Pulled the whole carpet out, decided to delete all of the sound deadening that is in here, because it's a lot. As you guys can see, like the whole chassis is full with it. And yeah, but I think I'm gonna start with only one corner here to mount the cage, and then tomorrow I will do the rest of it. I don't know if I can get up there, don't want to pull the dash, might leave that little spot up there, but besides that, all of this gonna get ripped out. Just gotta find something I can scrape the sound deadening off. I had something somewhere, gotta find it, and the heat gun. Then I'm gonna rip it out and try to make it fit somehow. I really hope it does fit. Will be a pain if not, because I really don't want to cut the cage and weld it again. That wouldn't be ideal. But yeah, going back to work now. So let's see. What up, YouTube? It's the next day. The cage is somewhat in, still not bolted in, but I don't know, it's sitting in here somewhat. I started to take off the heat insulation stuff, but I stopped right now because it's way too much work, and I don't know, I don't really care too much about the weight of the car, at least for now, since I'm also running a full interior. But yeah, so I stopped with that. I thought about doing it, or I started and then I don't know, stopped because it's not worth the hustle. But yeah, the cage is sitting in here. I had to modify it yesterday. Wait, I'm gonna show you guys, because this car's left-hand drive, and the car it was in, or is like made for, it's for a right-hand drive car. And the issue was that it was hitting the light switch here, and I also couldn't get that bolt in up here, so I had to shorten it down here. I don't know if you can see it. I cut out 1 centimeter and re-welded the whole thing, and now it fits. Besides that, cage is in. Gonna put all the bolts in now, so the cage is like actually one piece, the way it should be. And then I need to drill the holes through the chassis here on all the 6 points, and then we can bolt it up, put the interior back in, and then we should be done, hopefully. Always sounds easy, but it's never that easy. Yeah, let's continue. Already 10:13 at night. It's getting late, it's getting cold, but the cage is in. It's all bolted up and mounted to the chassis. I don't know if you can see it here, but all the bolts are in. Didn't film that because you can't really see anything anyways when I put the bolts in. So fuck that. Yeah, gonna vacuum out the car right now. And then we can go back to installing all the parts again, the carpet and the trim. Yeah, just need to vacuum it out real quick because it's nasty. Then put it back together and then we should be done. I think I can still finish it tonight, but then gonna film the whole thing tomorrow when it's bright out. Because now it's super dark. But it's already looking sick. I'm excited. Yes sir, yes sirski, yes sirski. Also, that's the bar I meant with the stickers. How sick is that? That's it. The cage is in. Looks fucking sick, as you guys just saw on the clips. Didn't film too much yesterday because it just got super late and cold and I just wanted to finish the car. But the cage was in already yesterday. Just put all the interior back in that we ripped out in the beginning of the video. Yeah, car's together. Looks fucking sick. Also, oops, shout out Machine 777. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, super sick page about RX7s, period correct RX7s. Yeah, car's done, guys just saw it. I finally got a cage in there, and the next step with this build is, now that we got a cage and we are safe, finally got to put some power in it. Yeah, like I mentioned already, collecting some turbo parts right now. That's it for this video. I don't know if I mentioned already, but there's this cross bar missing that goes from like up here to down there. That wasn't included with the cage. I don't know if they didn't order it back then, no idea if they lost it. But I'm gonna build that myself eventually in the future. Yeah, cage is in, I'm excited. Hope you guys liked the video. And yeah, go, as always, check out the shop, check out hats. The hats, some stickers, get yourself some, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.